My name is Stephen Kamanda. I'm going to teach you structured programming, and we are going to proceed from where we stopped the previous class. Uh, it was if-else structure, and who can remind us on what we discussed about the if-else? Anybody?
Yes, Mwalimu. We saw its syntax,
Yes.
and then we wrote a simple program to implement if else.
Okay, that's good. Basically, if else is actually used for two options. As you can see on the screen, assuming a student got 50 and above, that student could maybe have passed. Otherwise, if the student gets less than 50, the student will get what? The student will get a fail. Now today, we're going to discuss the if else structure. I had asked you to read ahead. Who can tell us the number of options we can use with the if else structure, which is also known as the nested if? Anyone? How many options? You forgot to do research. Basically, if else actually basically means it is a nested if, and from the word nested, it means it's an if inside another one. But when we are programming, we will use the structure if, then something comes in between, else if, then something comes in between, and then we finish with else. That is the structure we use in C programming. So this nested if basically allows for testing multiple criteria, which means you can use it to handle many options, basically three or more options. Now on the screen, let's consider a flow chart. It's actually a grading flow chart, and based on the time that we have, that is a flow chart that has got quite a number of options. Assume we have marks greater than 79, that student will get a grade A. If the student is scoring marks greater than 59, which is 60 upwards, that student will have a grade B. Otherwise, that student will have got a grade of C or below. So that program, that is actually a flowchart for a program that will only handle three options. The option of A, that is 80 and above. The option of B, which is 60 to 79. And finally, what is less than 60, it will be less or below. Let's take a short time in writing the program that you can see on the screen. That is now a C program. Take a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and ensure the program that runs, and tell me the output, whether it will get the correct output. Have you managed to run the program?
Yes, sir.
Is it working, or there are errors?
It's working.
Oh, it's working. That's great. Now that's a program that is having three options, of which in that case we cannot use the if else, because there are three or more options. We are able to use the if else if, else structure. Now for your assignment, as you can see on the screen, you are supposed to write a program that will output grade according to the breakdown, whereby we have 80 to 100, it displays A, 70 to 79, it displays B, 60 to 69, it displays C, 50 to 59, D, 40 to 49, E, less than 40 fail, and you have to ensure that the program captures the marks within 0 and 100. So if it is outside 0 and 100, the program should be able to display invalid marks. So do that program, and our discussion in the next lesson will be based on that assignment.